Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to format an SD card on Sony A6400. Let's begin. So first we want to navigate into our menu, and then in the setup page we want to go to the fifth page on our setup, so setup 5, and right on the bottom we have format. We simply click on it, and as you can see, if we now hit enter, all data on our SD card will be deleted. So now we simply hit enter and the card is deleted. Now I will click cancel because I like the data that I have on my SD card. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.